Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Guess what's arrived today? The Lawn Fawn Spring release. I didn't get everything because there was a lot in this release. I just got the things I thought that I would actually use. So without further ado, let's have a look. And it looks like we're being visited by Mr. Orion because he loves boxes. Loves them, and he's going to sit in the lid. Okay, we've got lots of packaging here, which he's probably going to have fun with. Yes. Orion, I need to get in there. Yeah, you play with those bits. There you go. Alright, so what have we got? We have the Coaster Critters flip-flop, and I always get the matching dies because it's just easier for me. I don't like fussy cutting, and I have a love-hate relationship with my scan and cut, so I still get dies. We've got, this one is So Very Mice. I love this one. I actually do, or used to do, some embroidery, so this one's actually really cool. Now I didn't get the embroidery hoop die that comes with it. I got the matching dies for this, but it also came, there was a die about so big, and it was a sewing hoop. I didn't get that one yet. I'm on the fence whether I want it or not, so time will tell. This one I really liked. It is offset sayings every day, and I think what we can do with this one is you can stamp down, say, it's your birthday, and then in solid stamp it in a colour and just offset it a little bit, and it will give you a really cool effect. So I can't wait to have a go with that one. What have we got in here? I love their string too. I use their string everywhere in my craft room, holding things together. Okay, we've got a thank you, and I've got a little created by stamp for free there. And if you ordered directly from Lawn Fawn for this release, you actually got this stamp added to your order, and I loved it. Friends forever. So pretty much this is why I bought this, the items. I love this one. I can just see so much potential with this stamp. Absolutely love it. Especially those little birds there, just the silhouette of a bird. Can you imagine them just stamped on against clouds or sky? So simple, and it's there. Now I got this one which goes with the sewing mice. It's How You Been buttons add-on. Now I didn't have the How You Been set, so I have got that in here as well, but that's not part of the release. But this is the bit that goes with it, which is part of the release. So I've got the dies as well, and I love that it's got like the thread there, and if you stamp out the needle, I reckon you could cut just like a sliver there, and you could probably pop the die of the thread through. I'm going to give it a go. This one is the Elephant Parade add-on. There was an Elephant Parade set in the release, and I'll show that to you in a minute. I love the little balloons. You've got little faces you can pop on the balloons. You've got little water drop, you know, for the umbrella. So much you can do with this. It can even do like a circus theme, babies. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Oh, they sent me some free paper as well, double-sided. Nice thickness too. I think it's, I'm not sure what the GSM count is on it, but it feels like it's at least a 200 GSM, I reckon. I'll get to the papers in a minute. Let's just keep going with the... Okay, so this is the original How You Been. I think that's what it's called. Yep, How You Been. That's the original set there, and they've got all sorts of add-ons that you can fill the jar with. So the original comes with jelly beans, or they can be mung beans, whatever. And you've got a label there, and you've got the little label things, little faces, some really cool little sentiments, and I love how they've got a solid bean. I'm trying not to let it reflect too much, so you can stamp that in a colour, and then you can just lay up different colours in there rather than colouring them in. And of course I've got the dies as well, and it comes with the shaker elements, so you can cut out the beans, hearts or stars, and you can create a shaker card with it. Awesome. So this is the Elephant Parade that the smaller one goes with, that one. And it's awesome. You've got like a little flag. It does have baby sentiments in there as well, which is cool. Welcome little peanut, hello baby, congratulations on your little one. Little bottle, little mice, little crown, floating hearts, floating bubbles, and there's a peanut in the cupcake. That's awesome. And matching dies. This one is Fly High. I loved it for the balloons. Really like the balloons. They're one of the best balloons I've actually seen. And it's got a separate little basket, so you can actually stamp your balloon out, and the basket will be the same size as that basket there. And then you can stamp out your critter, pop your critter in, and then pop that basket on top. And matching dies. That little bunting's going to come in very handy too. Oh, there's a little graduation certificate and a graduation cap. Alright, this is the Pull and Pop pull tab. So it creates an interactive card. So I will be experimenting with that one. That's sort of on the back. I'm trying not to let the glare hit you. There we go. So you pull down here and the balloon pops out, and it pops out in front of you as well. So it's different from other pop-ups. That's going to be awesome. Now the platform die they released last year, they bring in add-ons for it, and I love this one. I haven't bought many of the add-ons at all, but this one really appealed to me. It's clouds which go sort of in the middle of the platform. I will demo it. And then it's also got the wraparound clouds, and it's got a separate rainbow die as well, and separate clouds. This is awesome. This is going to make some beautiful, beautiful cards. Okay, they released, I don't know, I don't think that one was in this release. I think I just got that one because I really liked it, but it's just the stripes and dots. The one they released with the collection is this one, which is called What's Sewing On. So I'll just show you if I can get the lid off my knife. And the Lawn Fawn papers are brilliant. They match with so many different themes, and I love that most of them aren't in your face with super bright colours. I'm more of a pastel girl myself, so the Lawn Fawn papers really speak to me. Lots of tape on there. Okay. So I'll just give it a very quick flick through, if I can manipulate it. So it's got sewing lines, stitched flowers, more stitching, and then it repeats. So I think there's 36 sheets, so there's I think 3 of each pattern in there. They released washi tape, and I only got 2 of the washi tapes. I got the, if that's going to focus, there we go, balloons, and they're actually got gold on them, so they actually reflect really, really pretty. And then I got just the basic rainbow stripes as well. They had, oh, bottom of the box, right, a couple of stencils. This is going to be tricky to see. This one is shapes of balloons, and the balloon strings, and up the top you've got confetti and streamers. Really good for backgrounds. And then this one, oops, there we go, yep, rainbow. So they've got 2 different size corner rainbows and a sun. So that is the Lawn, well, not all the Lawn Fawn release, just what I got from the Lawn Fawn release. I hope this was helpful for you, and I will be demoing some of these in a future video. So stay tuned. See you next time.